Hello friends, good morning, namaskar, johar, vanakkam, and I mostly welcome you in my new video guys. I hope guys you people are doing great. If you all are doing great, then I am also doing great here and enjoying with this summer, and I hope nowadays you are also enjoying with this summer and you are learning English better way. So my dear friends, today's I will here for speak about bounded thinking. Yes, my dear friends, you heard right. What is the bounded thinking? Maybe some of you are listening first time and some of you have knowledge about this bounded thinking. So my dear friends, let's understand with this an example. My dear friends, bounded thinking means bandha hua soch. Maybe now you understood if you are if you can understand Hindi. My dear friends, bounded thinking, what is the bounded thinking that I am going to share with you today? So guys, bounded thinking means there is some limitation that we cannot think out of our limitation. My dear friends, we just want to become a doctor, we just want to become a teacher, and we just want to earn limited money, we just want to gain limited education in our life, my dear friends. So let's take an example and understand this in better way. So my dear friends, as you see a baby elephant when someone adopt his, and you see if someone adopting an elephant, they always choose baby elephant because he has not enough knowledge, because he has not enough power. That's why every person who adopt elephant, they take baby elephant because baby elephant is weak, my dear friends. Let's understand this. So my dear friends, as any person take baby elephant, and first he take baby elephant and tie the baby elephant with the rope. And my dear friends, that time baby elephant tries many times, he work on it, that he tried many times to break the rope, but he cannot break. And he tries once, twice, thrice, and maximum he tries 100 times maximum, I'm saying. So guys, but he cannot break the rope because that time he was not enough energy, he was not enough confident, he was not enough knowledge that I can break the rope. And because of that, that become his bounded. So my dear friends, and little by little, day by day, as soon as baby elephant grows, and he never think in mind that I can break this rope. But as you see, uh, wild animal, wild elephant, he can break the house, he can break the trees. But domestic elephant, he has also enough power, but he is under someone's. So that's why he cannot think, even though he cannot imagine that I have enough power, I have enough courage, because of bounded thought. Because he never tries to break the rope, because he think I tried many times, I did not get success, so now if I will try, I will not success, he think in mind. And in the same way guys, in in our life also, in our society also, we want to study, we want to become teacher, but we see some failures in life. We see some people wanted to become teacher, but he did not, because of some reason he did not become. So we see them and we says he tried many times, he tried hard, and he could not become a teacher. So how we can become? We don't have enough education, and after 12th we give up ourselves and we says no, I cannot become teacher because now we are not getting job. So my dear friends, we think like that, and we started giving up, we started changing our mindset that I cannot become a teacher, so I will try some another way. I will try some another work. So my dear friends, today we should understand what is the real concept, what is the bounded thinking, and how we can break this. My dear friends, if you want to break your bounded thinking, you will have to listen successful people who have achieved their success in life. If you will go to those who doesn't have knowledge, who are failure, they will always give you wrong advice. But if you will go to the right person who has right knowledge, right education, so guys, you will be success. So guys, I hope you understand everything. So it's enough for today. Bye for now. See you next time. Have a great day.